Hey everybody, it's Mike, the Sugar-Free Man. I'm here with a really valuable member of our community who, as we were just talking about it, she's discovering her joy of writing. She never really, she used to write in her journals and she was a teacher, so she knows a lot about it. But she's been writing in our communities and researching stuff and then writing it up a little reviews and everything. It's been wonderful. And I thought I'd bring her on just to tell her experience, her experience. Her name is Dee, and her experience in our community, um, inside of our 30-day challenge and our detox to lifestyle communities. So, Dee, how are you? I really appreciate you doing this, and tell us. I think the formula is what it was like when you first kind of realized you wanted and needed to quit sugar, and then what happened, and then what it's like today is the formula. And I'll ask some questions, but for the most part, it's your story. So, and tell the folks, what's up with D as far as sugar and everything's concerned.
Well, when I was obsessed with sugar, I just couldn't get enough of it. I binged constantly, and I was in a brain fog most of the time. I was sneaking around. I was hiding. I didn't want anybody to know how much I was eating
Yeah.
of the sugar. When there was a dessert table, I was definitely hanging around there, and I was careful that people weren't watching me so that they wouldn't see how many I was ingesting, because it was an obscene amount.
Mm.
And I came to the sugar detox, the 30-day detox program, because I knew that I needed help. I knew I couldn't get rid of this myself, and the help I received was immense. It was just incredible. With the 30-day detox, you get videos every day. I just felt led step by step, and was able to get off the sugar and flour. And as a result, I feel like the brain fog is definitely gone. I feel so much healthier. I feel like, I've experienced weight loss. I've experienced, the healing in my body has been such that my clothing sizes are changing. And even though there hasn't been that much weight loss now, I definitely feel healthier. I love that I'm not sneaking around. I love that I don't have anything to hide. The transparency feels so incredibly freeing. And like you said, I was not writing for a public venue before, and now the creativity is unleashed, and I love it. I'm so happy to be able to put thoughts together that other people find helpful.
Awesome, awesome. So you mentioned something that is kind of amazed me since we started this, is that a lot of people come to us for weight loss, but when we do surveys, most of the people before weight loss, and some people have even put type 2 diabetes in remission, they comment on what you said about brain fog and memory and focus. Tell the folks a little bit about that, because it's just amazing to me, the research now, but also like people's results when they actually do get off sugar and flour.
Yes, the brain fog for me was, well, part of it was I couldn't think of anything but, where my next sugar fix was going to come from. And I had a hard time focusing on tasks at hand, because there was just this level of static. I would refer to it as like static, or a feeling of not being present in the moment, because I couldn't focus on what was going on.
Right. What a great definition, kind of the signal and the noise, right? You're like, you kind of got this fuzz going on. But the how about your memory, your recall, and your ability to focus? Obviously, your creativity's been unleashed, and I'm really excited when I hear that. Yes, we want people to put their physical maladies in remission, but this idea that And a lot of the professionals, they're really like superstars, lawyers, doctors, therapists, people that have like accomplished a lot in life and education. They are the ones that comment the most about this brain fog clearing up. So tell the folks, like, why do you think like the forum that we have that you're now writing, like, just I was complimenting you before, but like writing such amazing stuff, doing research on, health topics, and then commenting, and personal development topics you comment. So why do you think that is? Why do you, I mean, was it there's a safeness to the venue, or just your brain was like bursting? I don't know. How did that
Yeah,
work?
it is kind of like my brain is bursting because I've always been curious. I'm not the kind of person that was ever bored. I've been a lifelong learner and a lifelong reader, and
Hmm.
I'm just fascinated by so many topics. And now the topics of health and wellness and emotional eating was, I feel like I was really thoroughly entrenched in emotional eating, and
Okay.
so I'm very much interested in learning more about that and writing about it, because as I learn about it and write about it, of course I'm healing myself more, and then I have the opportunity to offer these thoughts to other people. I feel like the forum you've created is incredibly safe. Everyone is warm and encouraging, supportive. There's no judgment there, and people can leave comments, and there's an interaction there that builds all of us and helps us all on our journey. There's no such thing as failure unless you quit. And so when people write on the school platform about their struggles, we all jump in and encourage them, and so they're not quitting because they're continuing.
Nice. I love it. I've always been fascinated by, like, before you found sugar freedom of any kind, when you were studying emotional eating, was there like a balance or a disconnect in, like, abstinence comes first, then emotional healing? Were you trying to heal up emotional eating before you actually got abstinent? Do you understand the question? Like,
Yes, I do. And you're exactly right. I was doing the emotional part first.
right.
And I've found that by being abstinent, well, look, the brain fog's lifted. I'm more creative. I'm more in tune with things. I feel like I have more tools at my disposal in terms of thinking and reasoning. And so by having the abstinence first, now I'm dealing with the emotional aspects of it, but I'm dealing with it from a point of view of freedom.
Yeah, a rewiring of your brain there. That's awesome.
Mm.
How long has it been? How long have you, no flour, no sugar? How long has it been?
It's been just over 8 months.
Nice, nice. Very cool. D, that's amazing. This is like, I didn't expect it to go this way, and but I'm super excited because I'm excited when I see someone, the brain come back online, basically. Like literally the eyes light up. People go from inarticulate and like kind of bummed or depressed to these, like, they're bright and they're, like you, writing and speaking really well again, and just and able to, like, like me, we talked about it earlier. I was a lifelong learner, and but I was afraid to let other people see my ideas or my writing or whatever, or my videos. So really, congrats to you, and really excited and glad you were able to find us and get this stuff going. So thanks a lot, and we will
I
talk
thank you
to
too. I'm very grateful for what you've put together and the community that I have here. And you call us a tribe, and I have found my tribe, and I am just thrilled.
Excellent. D, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We'll talk real soon. Bye for now.
Bye.